Shenzhen Anewbest Electronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2005 as a global laser ultra-precision microelectronic soldering systems professional supplier. The company has been focused on R&D and innovation of soldering technology. It has qualified more than 50 patent certificates and over 10 invention patents. Also, Anewbest has received the honor of the National High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen Top 100 Enterprises, 3A Enterprise with CE certification, ISO qualification. The laser soldering robot helps the factory to save 100% labor cost, effectively reduce 8% power consumption, 17% space waste, 100% auxiliary material waste, save 8% maintenance cost, 60% time cost, and solve the problems caused by traditional welding equipment greenhouse effect, pollution, poor environment protection, health, safety and high efficiency. 6 advantages of laser soldering: non-contact, non-strength, heat conduction, no flux expander and residues, no cleaning after soldering. The amount of tin is uniform and constant, reliable and stable quality, high UPH, low cost of input materials. The laser soldering could be applied in the following industries: optoelectronics product, mobile phone cam module soldering, FPC soldering, FPC and TFT, cable soldering, Type-C, high-speed, high-frequency transmission wire, the acoustics industry, mobile phone vibration motor, automotive, car keys, parking distance control, automobile replay, communication and network, optical module, optical device, sensor solder, the semiconductor industry, IC, wafer soldering wire. The Anewbest people continues to fulfill corporate social responsibility. Product reputation at home and abroad has received widespread praise and full trust from the customers, which also established a comprehensive and diversified world-class sales and service network. Let's celebrate the spirit of Chinese craftsmen, cheer for Made in China, and build for China towards the world.